You can also easily generate out graphics with quotes inside of them in Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, you need to click on the Create button right here, and then over here you can see Quote Graphic is an option. So if I were to go around and click on this, then what happens is that the option for different quote graphics appears, as you can see, just like this. So you can go around and select out a template that you want right here, just like this, and choose for what purpose you want the code graphics. So you can go around and select it as Instagram story, as a Facebook cover right here, or go for other options over here based on size as well. So I'm just going to go around and choose, let's say, for example, Twitter post right here, and I'm going to go around and press OK. So once I do that, what happens is that the quote graphics template loads up right there, allowing you to edit out different templates according to how you want. So this is what you have, as you can see. So I can just go around, double click, type in whatever I want, like let's say, for example, TutorTube, and this is what you have. You can go around and increase, let's say, the size of the text over here, just like this as well, and press the check mark button, place it wherever you want right here, just like this as well. And these are some graphics, as you can see, so you can go around and put it over here as well. So you can go around and press the check mark button and then select out other contents and then adjust it out as per how you like as well. So you can see that there's the background image as well, and there you go. And that is how you can go around and then create out code graphics inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.